To take a screenshot on an Apple desktop computer, find something on your screen that you want to capture forever. It could be a funny meme, a touching family photo, or your coworker's embarrassing browser history. Once you've located your target, it's time to strike. Hold down the Command and Shift keys, and then press the number 3. You'll hear a satisfying camera shutter sound, and your screenshot will be saved to your desktop. If you only want to capture a portion of the screen, press Command plus Shift plus 4. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Click and drag to select the portion of the screen you want to capture. Release the mouse button to take the screenshot. Now that you've successfully captured your screen, it's time to gloat to your coworkers and family about your spectacular screenshot skills. You can show them how to take a screenshot too, but just make sure you don't accidentally show them that embarrassing browser history screenshot you took earlier. I hope you found this helpful. Leave a comment below telling me what other Apple desktop computer tricks or tips you'd like to learn. Don't forget to like and subscribe.